The beauty and wellness industry in Kenya has grown rapidly over the past few years. More people are spending money on personal care, relaxation, fitness, skincare, massage therapy, body treatments, and wellness services. Busy lifestyles, increasing awareness of self-care, and the growth of the middle class have created a strong demand for professional beauty and wellness centers. If managed well, a beauty and wellness center can become a profitable and sustainable business. Before investing your money, take time to understand the market in your area. Visit existing beauty salons, spas, wellness centers, and fitness facilities. Observe the services they offer, their pricing, customer service, and customer traffic. Look for gaps in the market that you can fill. For example, some areas may lack quality massage services, professional skincare treatments, wellness consultations, or premium beauty services. Understanding customer needs will help you create a business that stands out from competitors. The next step is creating a business plan. A good business plan should explain your business concept, target customers, services offered, startup costs, expected income, marketing strategy, and growth plans. Your target customers may include working professionals, students, brides, tourists, corporate clients, or families. Having a clear plan helps you make better decisions and may also help when seeking financing from banks or investors. Choosing the right location is one of the most important decisions. A beauty and wellness center should be located in an area that is easy to access and has sufficient customer traffic. Shopping centers, residential estates, business districts, and growing urban centers can provide excellent opportunities. The location should have adequate parking, reliable water supply, electricity, security, and enough space for treatment rooms and waiting areas. A beautiful environment can significantly improve the customer experience. You must also register your business legally. Many entrepreneurs register either as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or limited company through the government registration system. After registration, you will need a Kenya Revenue Authority personal identification number certificate for tax purposes. Depending on your county, you will also need a single business permit before commencing operations. Some counties may require additional inspections related to health, safety, and fire compliance. The amount of capital required depends on the size and quality of the center you want to establish. A small beauty and wellness center can require between 500,000 Kenya shillings and 2 million Kenya shillings. A larger premium facility may require several million Kenya shillings. Major expenses include rent deposits, renovation, furniture, treatment beds, massage tables, beauty equipment, skincare products, towels, computers, branding, licenses, and initial marketing. The design and atmosphere of your center play a major role in attracting and retaining clients. Customers visit wellness centers to relax and feel refreshed. Therefore, the environment should be clean, comfortable, and welcoming. Use calming colors, proper lighting, pleasant scents, and comfortable furniture. Ensure treatment rooms offer privacy and maintain high standards of hygiene at all times. A clean and professional appearance creates trust and encourages repeat business. You should carefully choose the services you want to offer. Common beauty services include facials, manicures, pedicures, makeup application, waxing, hairstyling, and skincare treatments. Wellness services may include massage therapy, aromatherapy, body scrubs, body wraps, steam treatments, meditation sessions, wellness coaching, and relaxation therapies. Some businesses also combine beauty services with fitness programs, nutrition advice, or holistic wellness consultations. Quality equipment and products are essential for success. Clients expect professional results and safe treatments. Invest in reliable treatment beds, sterilization equipment, skincare machines, massage equipment, and quality beauty products. Avoid purchasing cheap products that may compromise customer safety or damage your reputation. Customers often become loyal when they trust the products and services being provided. Hiring qualified and professional staff is equally important. Your employees represent your brand every day. Recruit trained beauticians, massage therapists, skincare specialists, and customer service personnel who have the necessary skills and experience. Continuous training helps staff stay updated with new beauty trends, wellness techniques, and customer care standards. Friendly and professional employees often become one of the biggest reasons customers return. Pricing should be competitive while still allowing you to make a profit. Research what similar businesses charge in your area. Avoid setting prices too low simply to attract customers. Low prices may create the impression of poor quality and can make it difficult to cover expenses. Instead, focus on delivering value. Offer service packages, memberships, loyalty programs, and promotional offers that encourage repeat visits. Marketing is critical when launching a new beauty and wellness center. Start by creating a strong brand identity, including a memorable business name, logo, and professional signage. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and WhatsApp Business can help you reach potential clients. Share photos of your facility, customer testimonials, wellness tips, beauty advice, and promotional offers. Consistent online activity can help build trust and visibility. A professional website can also increase credibility. The website should include your services, pricing, location, contact information, booking options, and customer reviews. Many customers search online before choosing a beauty or wellness provider. Being visible online can generate a steady stream of inquiries and bookings. Customer service should remain a top priority from the first day of operation. Greet clients warmly, maintain punctual appointments, respond to inquiries quickly, and follow up after treatments when appropriate. Small gestures such as complimentary refreshments, personalized recommendations, and loyalty rewards can create memorable experiences. Satisfied customers often become your best marketers through word-of-mouth referrals. Managing finances carefully is essential for long-term success. Keep accurate records of income, expenses, stock levels, salaries, and taxes. Monitor which services generate the highest profits and which ones require improvement. Modern salon and wellness management software can help track bookings, inventory, customer records, and financial performance. Proper financial management helps prevent losses and supports business growth. As the business grows, consider introducing additional services that align with customer demand. You may add advanced skincare treatments, wellness workshops, corporate wellness programs, beauty product sales, bridal packages, or premium spa experiences. Expanding gradually allows you to maintain service quality while increasing revenue. One common mistake many entrepreneurs make is trying to offer too many services at the beginning. It is often better to start with a few high-quality services and expand over time. This approach reduces startup costs and allows you to build a strong reputation before investing in additional facilities and equipment. The beauty and wellness industry rewards businesses that consistently deliver excellent customer experiences. Success requires patience, professionalism, cleanliness, proper licensing, skilled staff, and effective marketing. Although challenges may arise during the early stages, a well-managed beauty and wellness center can become a respected brand and a reliable source of income. For entrepreneurs who are passionate about beauty, health, and customer care, starting a beauty and wellness center in Kenya presents an exciting opportunity. With proper planning, adequate investment, and a commitment to quality service, you can build a business that improves people's well-being while generating sustainable profits for many years to come.